The Permanent Secretary for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Engineer Tafadzwa Muguti, addressed media during his tour of Mwenewazo Tourism and Leisure Center in Mrewa, describing the project as a shining example of rural industrialization driving provincial economic growth. Engineer Muguti called on Zimbabweans in the diaspora to take advantage of the vast investment opportunities available across all provinces through local authorities. He said the Second Republic has created an enabling environment for business by removing unnecessary bureaucratic hurdles, making it easier for investors to establish and grow enterprises.
We're on a drive to ensure that we promote provincial economic development, but particularly at district level, at local level. And we are encouraging diasporans to come back and accelerate that development process. What we've seen in Mrewa is a good blueprint, which we should be replicating across all districts. As you have seen, if you're driving along our major highways, there's not much development to talk about. There's no way you can actually stop and enjoy good Zimbabwean food. And this is quite good. We stand with the decisions of the local authorities. We stand with the decisions of the Ministry of Local Government, and we stand with the decisions of the traditional leaders in those places. As it is currently, this is the highway going to Mozambique and forward into Malawi. It means that along this highway, there's commercial activity which needs to be harnessed. As it is, Zimbabweans, His Excellency is continuously saying, simply meaning that simply meaning that any Zimbabwean should be able to come back home, invest in their own country, and be able to feel proud about it. So I'd like to appeal to all those in the diaspora and all those who have got children in the diaspora to encourage them to come back and be able to engage with the offices of the ministers of state, engage with the offices of the district development coordinators, engage especially with the local authority leadership, so that at the end of the day they can be able to also take advantage of the investment opportunities that we have in the country. So apart from that, we are so delighted to be here and to witness that we are seeing more and more of this domestic tourism and domestic economic empowerment opportunities. Ndikataura ndichiti kuya kwataita kuno paMwenewazo tafara zvikurusa kuti nevana vedu vanenge vachibva kure vari kugara mhiri kwemakungwa vari kuyeuka kumisha yavo vodzoka voisa mari dzavo tichikwanisa kuita budiriro yatiri kuona iri panapo. Tiri kufara zvakare kuti mabasa akuwanika munzvimbo dzakadai muZimbabwe awanda. Tikungokurudzira kuti vemakanzuru tikukurudzira vari kubva kure kuti vashande pamwe chete nedonzvo rekupromota investment, vachishanda nemacouncils, vachishanda zvakare neofidzana mujiti, vachishanda zvakare nevakuru vemaprovinces, maministers of state. Tikukurudzira zvakare kuti vemunharaunda vagarisane zvakanaka nemainvestors, vemunharaunda vabatane pamwe chete nemainvestors. Zvimwe dzenguva mainvestors achada zvirimwa zvokuti vabike, zvimwe dzenguva vachada vashandi. Ngatikwanise kubatana nevana vanenge vauya kunyanya vari maZimbabweans vari kudzoka kuzoisa mainvestment opportunities muno. Tinofara kutenda zvakare kuti Mrewa RDC ikuratidza zvakare kuti aiwa yakananga chaiko, inoda kucreate mabasa, inoda kuti ione kuti donzvo redevelopment rotaura nemukuru wenyika revision 2030 rabudirira. Muno muconstituency matiri tina MP zvakare anokurudzira development, Honorable Daniel Garu, anova zvakare Minister weLocal Government. Tinofara kutenda kuti vari kukurudzira ma-local authorities kuti akwanise kuti avake, akwanise kuti agadzirise nzvimbo dzakadai dzinounza budiriro mukati memaruwa. Tatenda.
He encouraged both local and international investors to partner with the communities in unlocking the country's economic potential, saying rural industrialization remains key to creating jobs, promoting tourism, and accelerating sustainable development. SMTV Business News.
Looking for professional home care support for your loved ones? At Sheltering Arms Community Care, we provide compassionate care for the elderly, people living with disabilities, and those needing mental health support. Our services include home care, live-in care, hospital assistance, respite care, medication management, and life skills development. We also offer an alcohol and drug rehabilitation facility, helping you live independently with dignity and confidence. Visit us at Falcon Estate, Teen World Harare, or call us or visit our website on the information displayed. Sheltering Arms Community Care, fostering independence, improving lives.